Icera ria mutongoria wa Odm Raila Odinga kwa president wa tene wa bururi Daniel Moi rikioneka kuguciriria ndereti ya kiuteti makiria wa githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2022 kuri ajumbe a kiama kia Jubilee undu ndwagireire kurongorerio muno makiuga riri ti ihinda ria uteti. Keri igongona-ini ria kuheana basari ya muigana wa shilingi milioni 21 kuri makiria wa ciana 3,000 cia gicigo mbunge kia Mathira Mumbunge Rigathi Gachagua ni atianiire uritu wothe wigi icera riri akiuga ritire na uritu o wothe.
Raila Odinga kwenda kutembelea rais mstaafu Daniel Moi, huyo mzee alikuwa hasikii vizuri. Nafikiri ni Kiafrika na ni utamaduni wetu kutembelea mtu ambaye amekuwa akiugua. Sifikiri hiyo maneno kuna siasa yote ilikuweko ndani, na hata kama ilikuweko hakuna kitu inaweza badilisha katika sehemu hii.
Rigathi ni atetirithitie unyitanĩri wa mũingĩ wa gĩcigo gĩa gatagatĩ wa bũrũri harĩ gũtigĩrĩra mũnini wa President William Ruto nĩ ayũkia ũhotani gĩthurano-inĩ kĩnene kĩa mwaka wa 2022.
There are people who have been saying that we are supporting William Ruto because he has supported Uhuru Kenyatta. I want to say that is a very narrow perspective. The fact that the deputy president supported Uhuru Kenyatta is just one of the many reasons that we are supporting him, and not the most important. We are supporting him because, first and foremost, we are convinced he has a capacity to take this country forward.
Kaunti-ini ya Samburu Mumbunge David Sankok na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Bomet Joyce Korir magĩteanĩria ũritũ wa mũcemanio ũyũ maugĩte mũbango wa kĩama kĩa Jubilee gĩthurano-inĩ kĩnene gĩũkĩte nĩ ũtherita mũthenya, noguo gũtirĩ ũndũ kana kĩndũ kĩngĩũthararia.
Ule mwenye anafikiri atakuja kupangua hiyo mpango, hiyo ni ndoto, kwa sababu sisi huwa tunajipanga na nafasi yenye inapatikana labda ni running mate. Hata hii nafasi yangu ya nominee 001 za Chia Kalonzo kama wanataka hiyo maviti, lakini presidential candidate ya Jubilee hiyo ni wire ya stima, hiyo ni live wire, hiyo ni kukalia transformer. Tujaribu kudiscuss hiyo maneno.
The issue of the handshake between the former president Daniel Moi and Raila is not an issue with us. With the issue of the president handshake with Raila, it was just for the unity of the nation.
Ngirifuatara Kameme TV, Jitagumora Wagunya.